Times are tough, and you need to transport people and equipment in any terrain, any weather, any time of year. Your project demands reliable and durable vehicles with reduced downtime, immediate response for parts and service, high utilization of vehicles, multi-purpose quick change platform, reasonable cost of ownership, and immediately available for purchase, lease, or rental. Here is the solution the global off-road industry has been waiting for. The new and innovative Argo 8x8 XTD and XTI. The Argo XT models are designed for operation in flooded areas, crossing deep mud and marshy terrain. The Argo XT models overcome obstacles and rocky terrain and travel over deep snow and ice. The Argo XTD features a reliable, naturally aspirated 3-cylinder Kohler diesel engine with 65-amp alternator. The Argo XTI is powered by a reliable 748cc liquid-cooled Kohler engine featuring a Bosch electronic fuel injection system and 60-amp alternator. With a total load capacity up to 1,500 pounds on land and up to 1,000 pounds on water, the amphibious Argo XT models transport crew, equipment, and supplies to remote locations not accessible through traditional vehicles. Load capacity can be increased by up to 1,400 pounds using an amphibious trailer. Who will benefit from the innovative Argo 8x8 XT models? Utility companies to support construction and maintenance of power lines, gas pipelines, cable lines, and remote cellular or radio towers. Oil and gas and mining companies for surveying, exploration, environmental studies, and drilling support. Other sectors such as forestry, emergency services, weed control, insect abatement, and defense. What makes the Argo 8x8 XT models stand out in the extreme terrain vehicle market? Since 1962, ODG has been an innovative manufacturer of gears and transmissions, amphibious extreme terrain vehicles, and rovers for future lunar exploration. ODG introduced the world-famous amphibious Argo in 1967, and since then has sold more than 40,000 vehicles around the globe. Through its ongoing innovation, Argo continues to lead the lightweight off-road vehicle market with cutting-edge technology and solutions. The low center of gravity and full-time 8-wheel drive provide sure-footed traction and maneuverability through demanding weather and terrain conditions. The Argo XT models come equipped with a standard emergency parking brake and come with a robust skid plate for lower body protection. When required, the XT models can be equipped with an optional rollover protection structure, ROPS, with integral driver and passenger seat belts and optional windshield. The ROPS is certified to ISO 5700 and mounts directly to the main chassis. The ROPS design enables the vehicle to be used as a 2-person plus cargo configuration. Adding the optional modular rear ROPS and rear bench seat allows for the transport of 4 passengers. Important: during land operation, seat belts must be worn by all occupants if a ROPS is installed. The Argo XT models are designed for maximum operator safety due to its inherent stability, combining a low center of gravity and wide wheelbase. Their lightweight design allows for safe operation in challenging terrain while providing 9 inches of ground clearance at the center of the vehicle. The Argo XT models are designed for extreme terrain performance, and the specified load capacity is maintained in most off-road applications, while the load capacity of UTV and other vehicles often is considerably reduced to allow for safe operation in challenging terrain. The Argo XT models are 5 inches wider than the Argo 8x8 750 HDI, increasing overall stability. The Argo XT models feature a premium foam-padded, hinged front bench seat with easy access to deep storage compartment toolbox and battery, 2 12-volt outlets, cup holders, grab handles, dual glove box, and a 60-amp alternator. The Argo XT models feature a technologically advanced direct-drive triple differential Admiral steering transmission, feeding even torque to all 8 of the big 25-inch Argo tires. Operating in high range, this superior extreme terrain vehicle steers smoothly through challenging terrain. In low range, the Argo can turn within its own length with minimal effort, allowing for extremely tight turns. The Argo has excellent approach and departure angles to easily overcome obstacles. With an industry first, the Argo XT models feature multi-position handlebar steering, allowing the user to choose their driving position. Changing the drive position is quickly accomplished by releasing the steer lock mechanism and moving the steer column to a comfortable position for the operator. The instrumentation package is visible from any driving position and includes fuel level, speedometer, tachometer, coolant temperature, voltmeter, digital hour meter and odometer. Warning lights include check engine, glow plug light for diesel, park brake on indicator, oil pressure. The instrument panel also includes the high and low shift lever and ignition switch. Light and accessory switches are easily added via pre-located positions within the panel. 3-inch tubular main chassis capable of transporting up to 1,500 pounds of total payload. 2-inch tubular upper frame fastened directly to the main chassis. The upper frame is a structural component of the vehicle, allowing for easy accessory mounting, as well as providing strength, rigidity, and mounting points for securing the lower body. The lower body is vacuum formed from high molecular weight polyethylene, featuring superior wear and impact resistance versus fiberglass or steel, even to temperatures as low as -40 Celsius, and it won't rust. Critical engine, transmission, and driveline components are protected from rocks and stumps, considerably reducing damage and overall cost of ownership. 8 25-inch low-pressure tires provide a light footprint on sensitive terrain, resulting in very low environmental impact with or without tracks. A ground pressure as low as 2.8 psi or less can be achieved by adjusting tire pressure to terrain conditions. If a lower ground pressure is needed, the Argo can be equipped with a 15-inch 4-track or 18-inch 2-track or 4-track options, providing ground pressure as low as 1.06 psi with full payload. In comparison to UTV and tracked vehicles, Argo vehicles feature one of the lowest ground pressures in the off-road industry. The Argo XT models meet all EPA and CARB whole vehicle emission and evaporative standards and regulations. In addition, a fully sealed lower body not only keeps water and dirt out, it also keeps fluids in the machine. Lubrication, oil, hydraulic fluid, and antifreeze will all remain in the vehicle in case of a leak and will not pollute the environment until properly disposed. With its sealed lower body, Argo vehicles are designed to float on bodies of water and flooded areas, providing excellent buoyancy and transport for up to 4 passengers, or a total load capacity of 1,000 pounds. If the Argo is equipped with a ROPS, seatbelts must be unfastened before entering water. The specially designed tires propel the Argo at a speed of 3 miles per hour. Like other Argo vehicles, the Argo XT models feature an adaptable rear platform for the mounting of specialized equipment, such as quick change dump or cargo boxes, utility boxes, welding and spraying equipment, drills, cranes, or fire and rescue solutions. The new universal mounting system facilitates the installation of most add-on solutions. All models are available in a range of attractive colors, as well as new Mossy Oak Infinity camo pattern. The Kohler engines come with a limited 3-year engine warranty. The patented Admiral transmission reduces driveline stress, resulting in a low-maintenance off-road machine currently not available on the market at this price level. Optional chain lube system automatically lubricates all drive chains via pressurized pump and distribution block. Chains are lubricated once every 15 minutes for a 5-second period. The 1-quart reservoir holds enough lubricant to keep the chains oiled for 40 hours of operation. 8 1.5-inch diameter axles are contained in aluminum housings. Each axle is supported by 2 tapered roller bearings and sealed at each end. Lubrication is accomplished via oil bath within the axle housing. HS60HT Heavy Series final drive chain is used to connect all 8 axles to the output shafts of the Admiral transmission. Fully floating automatic chain adjusters allow the drive chain to freely float up and down based on chain tension. These long-lasting and reversible nylon slider blocks support the top and bottom of each chain. easy access to engine compartment and instrumentation, as well as improved serviceability for all critical components. Screen and other components can easily be removed to facilitate maintenance. Large engine compartment, allowing for quick and easy pre-trip checks of oil and fluid levels. The Argo XT models can be equipped with a variety of accessories, including cab heater, rear bench seat, suspension seat, windshield, windshield wiper, chain lubrication system, flatbed platform, gas can carrier, helicopter lift assembly, rear receiver winch mount, snowplow, tail light, tire carrier, 8-wheel trailer, 4-wheel trailer, utility box with optional shelving, universal mounting system, winch, bilge pump, brush guard, 2-person canvas sides, 4-person canvas sides, convertible top and half top, catwalk mud flaps, 2-person hardtop, 4-person hardtop, light bar, 2-person ROPS, 4-person ROPS, 18-inch rubber tracks, 15-inch quad rubber tracks, 18-inch heavy-duty rubber tracks, 18-inch heavy-duty quad rubber tracks. The Argo XT model's all-season capabilities, in combination with a multi-purpose rear cargo platform, optimize utilization, resulting in fast, year-round payback on investment. Proper operation and adhering to a scheduled maintenance program will ensure maximum uptime and continued service for years to come.